guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing it really well. I apologise about the state of me. I have just done a HIIT workout for the first time ever that my friend Emily made me do, and it was horrible. It was hideous. I had a shower because I just felt all wobbly, and I still feel all wobbly, but I need to film this video, so I thought I would just come fresh from the shower. So that is what this is about. So yeah, this is a food shop video. I already filmed when the food arrived earlier on, which you will see in a few minutes. But this little pre-bit, I don't know what this is called, whatever this bit is called, it's just me telling you the shop is from Asda. Because tomorrow is the day when you have to start wearing face masks in shops all the time, and I'm all for it. However, I'm alright wearing a mask for like 5, maybe 10 minutes, and then I start to panic. So big food shops, we are now trying to do as much as we can online. If we have to go to the little Tesco's near us, then just to get fruit and veg and stuff, I can do that really quickly with a mask on. But there is not a chance on earth I would be able to do like an hour-long food shop with a mask on, just because I get really panicky. So I will take myself out of the scenario and do online shops. So one came today. Ben has got one booked for next week. I'm going to book another one for the week after, so that we can just do one a week to try and keep on top of it, so we can not have to go and do a big shop in the shops. What else? It was £68.09, and our food plan for the week is today is Thursday, so tomorrow we're having risotto. Tonight we had burgers. Well, they've had burgers. I haven't had mine yet because of the workout. I'm going to cook mine in a minute. Tomorrow night me and Ben are going to have risotto. Saturday they're all going to have sausage and chips, and I'm going to have arancini balls from the leftover risotto because I make extra, so I can have the arancini. Sunday we're having potato cake and egg. Monday we're having wrap pizzas. Tuesday, I'm reading it off a thing by the way. Tuesday we're having mince and veggies, and Wednesday we're having chicken and black bean wraps. Now, the risotto the girls won't eat, the sausage and chips they will, the potato cakes Mika will, Aria won't, wrap pizzas we'll all eat, mince and veg we'll all eat, and then chicken and black bean wraps the girls will eat minus the black beans. So it's kind of cooking for all of us but for not of us, and then Fox just has whatever we have, we just give him bits of it. So yeah, if you like these kind of food shop haul videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel. I've got a lot of exciting content to come, lots of unboxings in the next couple of weeks, and at least one international giveaway in the next couple of weeks. I think it's coming this week, but I'm not entirely sure when it's going to be here, so that's very exciting. But yeah, subscribe, like the video, and let's jump in. I'd just like to give a little warning. Fox was not helpful whilst I was trying to film, so I'm sorry.
We can get out of the way.
Can I help you? Can I help you, Foxy man? What you got? Where you going? Right, I'm going to try and film this food haul whilst watching this little fart face. Oi! Oh dear. Right, he is contained for now. He'll probably start shouting in a minute, so we'll go quick. I got Doritos. These are the flaming hot ones. I like these on Weight Watchers because they're really nice and spicy, and you get quite a lot for low points. Plain crisps for Aria. Some Weight Watchers wraps. These are 3 points each. Some are they tubes? Yeah, they're like frubes, but they're as their own version. Tubes. This whole shop was like £52, I think. I'll put it on screen exactly how much it was. Got some muffins for Foxy to try because he's not had them before, just to change up from toast. Some brioche for the girls because they like to have these as a snack once or twice a week. Some just normal white bread. Some peppers. I had to nip out yesterday because we completely ran out of all vegetables yesterday, and I needed to get something for Aria and Fox to have today. And the little Tesco near me only had these, but they had a green one in, and nobody in this house likes the green one, so we always go for the orange, yellow and red. I've got a cucumber, some raspberries, some Aromatico tomatoes, these are my favourite, and a couple of avocados. They say they're right, well they feel quite good actually, so I'll be having avocado toast. I normally use like half an avocado on 2 bits of rye bread and it's just yummy, and then put tomatoes on the top. Got Foxy some of these Ella's biscuits. He really likes these. They're nice. Let me open the box to show you. They're really nice chunky ones, and he really likes them. I got him some of these to try, and I know he's not a year old yet, but I thought I could break up little bits to see what he thinks of them. And some rice cakes. These are for Fox and for Aria, because Ari absolutely loves them. You okay, mate? Have you dropped your sister's juice that you were keeping you occupied? He thinks he can drink it, but he can't get any out, but he does like to try. Everyone loves a tryer. Yeah, they do. I got some Pink Ladies. I did order Maris Piper, but that was my only sub, and they sent King Edward's, but I'm sure those will be fine. Just some white onions. Some ready-made Yorkshire Puddings, just because these are easy for Fox to have with a meal, like as a little extra something. And they're not too bad on salt, they're like 0.09 grams. So that's okay. I've got these to try. I will put on the screen how much these are on Weight Watchers, but they're new, and they're crinkle cut naked chips. So we'll see what they are. 2 jars of pesto. I normally get full fat because it's the kids and Fox that eat them, but they only had this one, so I had to get that. Carrot waffles, because Aria and Fox love these. Baked potatoes to go in the freezer for quick dinners for me and Mika, or lunches for me and Mika. What doing? Do you have a toy? You want a toy? There you go. Yeah, this is meant to stick and it just doesn't at all. I see 2 lots of puff pastry, because I'm going to make pinwheels or twists. Probably twists, to be honest, because Ari and Fox love them. I do pesto, cream cheese and cheese in them, and then freeze them. They're really, really good. And I got 2 lots of the ready rolled pizza dough, which I will portion out and then freeze again, so the girls can have pizzas. Got myself Lindals. They're 4 for £3. These are like my favourite, the white chocolate and the stracciatella chocolate chip. What's up, my chunky boy? You go. Where's your duk-duk gone? Oh dear, what's happened here? Oh dear. Oh dear, let's get you a bicket. You want this? Oh, a bicket. Let's see. You out, 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 while he's having a biscuit. Know your game, Bob. We know his game, don't we? You feed him. Sausage balls for Mika. Some extra mature or mature cheese for the kids and Ben. A big thing of butter, because we've just run out. Mozzarella for pizzas. We're going to have risotto one night this week. I will do a food plan either before or after. And some ditali, because this is really teeny tiny pasta. You can kind of see how tiny this pasta is. It's really good for Fox, but also Aria likes this one. Some cheeselets, because our cheeselet tub in the pantry is looking a bit sparse. Beans, me and Mika, we were getting the little pots, but then we always eat a can between us, so we got these ones because they're on offer. 2 lots of mince. We're having burgers tonight, and then for another meal, a little milk for Foxy Man. 2 big milks for us, just because we go through a lot. These are Aria's favourite cereal in the world, and they're on offer, and I only ever buy them when they're on offer, and they're 2 for £4, which is still expensive, but she loves them. And then 3 bottles of fizzy water. So yeah, that was the shop. Have you already thrown your biscuit on the floor? This is why the dog can't be in the room, isn't it? And there's a dog hair on it. Dog hair's gone. You're all right. So yeah, I will talk to you in a minute.